Hello my amazing foodie members, welcome back as I share with you my easy jollof stew recipe on how I cook Nigerian jollof stew to prepare jollof rice. I'll start by showing you the ingredients. I'll be using tomatoes, red bell peppers and red long peppers. I'll also be slicing some colored bell peppers to my preferred shape and sizes. These are the spices that I'll be using and I will explain this as the video continues. I'll be using some boiled chicken, some raw rice and tomato paste. To begin, I'll start by heating up some oil, and as soon as the oil is hot enough, I'll put my already boiled chicken into the hot oil and I'll fry both sides for 5 minutes on medium heat. After this, I'll remove the fried chicken to get ready to use the cooking oil. I like to follow this step because this helps to intensify the flavor of my jollof rice. I'll put my pot for the jollof rice on the cooker, and then as soon as the pot dries out, I'll add my cooking oil. After adding the cooking oil, I'll proceed to add sliced onions. You can choose to replace sliced onions with onions paste or onions powder, but I love to use sliced onions. I'll put in my sliced onions, I'll mix very well and fry for 1 minute on medium heat. Then I'll add the other ingredients. As I add the other ingredients, I'll mix very well immediately so that the ingredients do not burn. I'll start by adding dried thyme, and as I said earlier, I'll mix immediately and add the next ingredient. The next ingredient is curry powder. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you can also like this video if you like what you've seen so far. Also, I added nutmeg powder and I mixed very well. After that, it's time for bay leaves. Bay leaves gives my jollof rice a certain aroma that is delicious and nice. And after mixing the bay leaves in, I'll add my tomato paste. After I add the tomato paste, I'll proceed to mix very well to ensure that the tomato paste is properly combined with the ingredients that I added into the hot oil as well as the oil. So the reason why I'm explaining this is because I'll be doing a lot of mixing until I am very sure that everything is properly combined, and then after that I will allow the tomato paste to fry on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, or till the tomato paste becomes a little bit brownish and grainy. And as this video continues, you'll see exactly what I mean so that you can know what to look out for when you're using my recipe to make your jollof rice. Exactly like this. Now you see what my tomato paste looks like, and I just added my blended pepper mix. For the pepper mix, it contains some tomatoes, red long peppers, red bell peppers and onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. After rinsing out the blender, I'll add some salt to taste and seasoning cubes. You can also use seasoning powder if that is what you want, but I like to use seasoning cubes because it helps me with proper measurements. After adding the seasoning cubes, I'll add my chicken stock and I'll mix very well. The chicken stock intensifies the chicken flavor in the jollof rice and should not be allowed to go unused. After cooking for about 10 minutes on medium heat, I'll proceed to add my fried chicken and I'll cook for 5 minutes. Then I'll remove the fried chicken and add some water to the stew base and add my seasoning cube and some salt, and of course I'll add my parboiled rice. Then I'll mix everything very well. I'll cover the pot and I'll cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. I added my sliced bell peppers and some vegetables. All of these are optional, but at this point I hope you've been able to understand how I make my jollof stew base that makes my jollof rice come out looking very nice, very attractive. And it's not just about how my jollof rice looks, it's also about the taste. My jollof rice always comes out tasting very delicious. It's so easy to make. This is exactly what my jollof rice looks like. It's nice, it looks tasty, and it tastes very nice as well. Now let me show you the stewed chicken I made earlier. This is it. The stewed chicken is soft, and very juicy, just as I love it. And I like to say this, I've come to the end of this video and I hope you try this recipe till I post my next video. Bye.